So we're not taking kayaks?
No.
Really?
What?
I guess today we're not taking a kayak. We're not going on a kayak today. We are going on a boat. Alright guys, right now, about to head to New Hogan Lake.
Two diving rods, so that's about 600 bucks. I'll have like my cousin come do it or something. Like not pay. Yeah. He takes the chances. If he wins, he'll pay. If he wins, he'll just keep the money.
Ooh, bomb. It's too early for me. I'll just get Gatorade. Gotta have these. Stick onto the original Lay's. I'll try to get the sauces in it out. Sauces? Salsa. What salsa? Yeah, I got it.
Yes.
I gotcha. Don't hook yourself.
How many rods you rate?
4.
Oh, damn.
One for each thing, fo. Later on, we're gonna go for bass. The other one is for just in case it slowed down.
Yeah, rods. This guy. Color rods.
So, Lonnie, happy to go fishing.
Yep.
Haven't seen you fish for a while.
Busy summer.
Nah, you just scared to go fishing with me, aren't you?
I want you to cry.
Yeah, don't want me to cry. So we are overcast over at New Hogan.
Loser buys lunch.
Huh?
Loser buys lunch.
Loser buys lunch, alright. Loser buys lunch. It ain't bad for you guys, know what I mean? See the boils right there too, like right on your left side right there. Fucking damn. Hell yeah, dude, that'll be hella badass. Watch. Right. Kids don't float, remember.
Okay.
Lonnie, you can grab a life jacket for yourself. Oh shit, they put the launcher back here now, huh? Oh yeah, it is back to normal. Nice and slow, Lonnie.
What the fuck?
Oh. Hurry up, dude. What's missing out? You got yours? Or you don't need yours? No. This guy, dude. What I want to do in life death situation.
Hey, man, you have to sit in the back. Like,
Nah, I just sit right in the front, dude. It's
sit
it.
in that too. Yeah, okay. Sit in the middle though.
What there, dude? Go fish on. I got it. swing it. I'm gonna swing it. Damn, we got pliers. I didn't grab any pliers. Huh? Which one is yours? The camouflage one? Alright, they'll come back, dude. Hey, open up the lumber. Don't you open up? Got it, huh? Nice one, Jerry. Hmm? 10-pounder you. It's a 10-pound striper. Nice one, dude. 2-pounder. Nice chunky, Jerry. Oh, where you at? Oh shit. Ain't nobody try to beat Tony here. Nice one, dude. Pliers right there.
Ooh, lost it.
You lost it. My turn. Oh man, dude. Y'all some fucking fucked up ass motherfucker. Nah, I gotta stay behind you guys. That's what happened. Is that you or no? That's not Jerry, right? Both of you guys are in front. Damn, why is my guys feeling hella weird now? I didn't have my camera turned on. No, I just turned it on right now. Cause I was pissing. Fool, I'm gonna look at my dick while I'm pissing shit. Shit, see when the dog chased me, fool. I could hop over a fence that I could never dream of. It. Like they know when the fucking boat was coming towards them. Look at that shit. Look at that, dude. Gangster, tante, gangster. Gangster, Lonnie. My turn to sit in the front. Said Lonnie can't fucking do the job right, Lonnie. And plus, you
feel bad for you, bro.
Plus, you
cat's paw.
I know. Look at that shit, dude. Oh, damn. Duck hunting.
You can't hit that? Come on, Ben, hit it.
Dude, you think I could throw it from
No, you hit that. Oh my gosh.
Go, throw it, fool. What the heck? Nah, dude.
Gone.
Ain't gone now. Oh, there you go. Look at that shit, dude. everywhere, dude. Oh, that's fuck, dude. Come on. They fucking everywhere, dude.
Nigga, throw over here.
Because there's more over here. Oh, damn, he missed it, dude. Damn, dude, you see that? It fucking hit my line like this, bro.
Got one?
No, it hit my line like this.
I got one. I think I got two. I'm kind of worried because I'm worried about you got the main one or the side one. Bird bait, bro.
Fucking just stop. Don't fucking go.
Oh, told you.
Dude, mine spiked on my shit. It just fucked up the, made the lure twist out to the fucking rope and shit. Oh, shit. Yeah. Jerry?
Got that net money?
You got two, what? You got two on that line, Jerry?
No, I'm just worried. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Keep it size.
Yeah, let's keep it size.
Okay.
That shit don't work.
It doesn't work?
It doesn't work.
I hate it. What to do? What's up?
That's good, man.
Got the main one.
Fish on. Yeah, baby.
Gotta switch up, bro.
That shit. Oh, damn. Who got a plier? Jerry, you got the plier, huh? Huh?
No, I took up
Where'd fire go?
Stick it in between the, stick your fish in between it.
Between where? Oh, in here? Oh, shit, dude.
Yeah, and then squeeze it. You gotta get it from here. Squeeze it and then they use wire.
Fuck. No, just a fucking. Damn, hooked his eye hella bad. What? Oh, you damn.
And I thought he saw my shit too.
Oh, Jerry? I'm not ready, dude. Make sure to throw. Right here, dude.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Yo, got it. How did you miss that? Oh, shit. Fuck. Come on. Oh, no. tight on there. Dude. That's tight, dude. How they just boom, all came out right in front of us. Ooh, right there, Jerry. Got it, Jerry.
I lost it.
You lost it?
Sorry, I got it. I wasn't even trying to, I was just reeling it in. Here, look, come take a.
Jerry's gonna get a fucking big ass tan. Ooh. It fucking missed, dog.
Yeah, throw the boy over there.
Where?
Way over there.
I don't see shit. Ooh! Ooh! Came off?
You gotta do that switch it, huh?
Yeah, you gotta switch it, man.
That'd be your thing, thing.
I know. Just do this and shit, wait until you see it. Just like, if his behind you, just go.
Oh my god.
Jerry Springer missed it. Ooh.
Yeah.
Bring it. Ooh, that's good, nice. Jerry.
No,
Alright, Jerry. Bring it up. Nice. Oh. Hold on, got hooked on. Hooked.
oh my god, man.
Come on.
Come on, Noni.
Come on, right here, dude. Right here, dude. Dude, just right next to them.
Noni, come on.
Alright, guys. Just arrived over here at New Hogan Lake. Doing solo kayaking by myself. And then, yep. God say, let there be light. And there's lights. Cool. Way to go.
Hey, man. How did you do that?
Oh, shit. New Hogan Lake. It's kind of dark. Whoa, sun's about to rise. Striper boil over here, son. Come on, dude. Oh, miss, come on. Come on, dude. Stupid ass boat, man. Come and fuck it up and shit. Fuck. Oh, fish on. Nice, dude. Ooh, nice largie. Oh, that's smallmouth, huh? Yep, small. Oh, that's a largemouth. Oh, damn, I ripped this lip hella bad. Oh, my bad, dude. I didn't mean to set you that hard. Oh, man. What the heck was that, dude? Oh, look at that. Hella cute. Oh, man, this bass came and hooked it right in the eye, dude. My bad. Told you trying to attack this big ass rat, dude. You can't fucking swallow this, man. Look at that. Double digit. Oh, look at that. It's probably BZ catching small ass little bass, dude. Free. Look at this 40. Oh, look at that. Chuchalonka. Look at this double D. Yeah. This rat 40 is catching small things, dude. All small sizes. Oh, man. I don't know how I'm going to pull this out. Fish on again. Small one. What is going on, dude? It's small ones, man. What's that? So all these little small dinks. Keep biting on this 40. This 40's too big for you. Oh shit. Fish on. Look at that little bass, dude. Oh, ain't right in the stomach. Some little small ones, man. Damn, so future little. Oh, damn. Oh, I know this guy came and took it. Oh, that's tight, dude. Oh, damn. Oh, this guy came and took mine. Oh, didn't even have my camera on. Oh man, that's tight. I have my camera on. What? I was just casting for the heck of it. This guy just came and took it. Whew. Nice one too. Nice keeper.